In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. This process will ensure your appointments and meetings are seamlessly integrated across both platforms, giving you a streamlined calendar experience. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Calendly's website. Once you're logged into your account, look for the section labeled Event Types within your dashboard. This section allows you to manage and schedule various meeting types that you've created or want to create. Make sure you're in the right area, as this is where we'll initiate the integration process. Next, direct your attention to the Integrations and Apps section. This is your gateway to unlocking a variety of functionalities that Calendly offers when paired with other apps and services. Clicking on this section will present you with a wide range of options to enhance your scheduling capabilities. Now, in the search bar, type Google Calendar. It's important to type it correctly to quickly locate the integration feature. Calendly offers several integration options, but since we're focusing on Google Calendar today, we need to ensure we're in the right place for that specific connection. Once you've typed in Google Calendar, simply click on the Google Calendar option that appears in the search results. This will lead you to more details about the integration, giving you a quick overview of what connecting these two platforms will involve and the benefits you can expect. After reading through the details, proceed to click on the Connect button you'll find there. This is a crucial step in the process because clicking the Connect button will direct you to a page where you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're signing in using the account that hosts your primary Google Calendar, as this will ensure everything is seamlessly synced. A new window will appear, prompting you to allow Calendly access to your Google account. This is standard procedure, allowing Calendly to sync events directly with your calendar. Carefully review these permissions, and once satisfied, click Allow. This confirms the integration and sets up a direct link between Calendly and Google Calendar. With the connection made, you're now set to have your Calendly appointments automatically added to your Google Calendar. This integration minimizes scheduling conflicts and keeps everything in one place, offering tremendous convenience for both personal and professional purposes. Finally, to ensure everything is working perfectly, go ahead and schedule a test event in Calendly. Check your Google Calendar to verify the event's seamless appearance there. This simple test guarantees that your integration has been successful, and moving forward, you can enjoy a more organized and effortless scheduling experience. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to Google Calendar, streamlining your scheduling and making it easier to manage your time across both platforms. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.